Why the square root of -1 is unimportant, like bullshit that'll just lead you down one track and just produce absolutely nothing for you, be a whole mathematical career. They call it complex numbers, and whenever they approach something with complex numbers, they call it the complex version of what the same thing was that they were doing without complex numbers, quite efficiently without it. But anyway, I didn't even study it. I did go to the page where they explained it, but I just closed it because I just think it's rubbish. But apparently, if you get the sine wave, and it's got to do with calculus, and I hate calculus as well. Calculus is where square root of -1 came from. Anyway, so if I've got a sine wave, and if I do that thing called differentiation on a sine wave, it just produces a sine wave. And because the absolute equals the derivative, it causes some fucking crap to happen where you can times two -1 numbers together and get a negative fucking result. So it makes absolutely no sense. It may be true that it happens, but I think that there's no thing in maths you can do without having the fucking complex version of it actually fucking beating the original version, which was all you fucking needed to know. If you want to learn like inductors, you can learn the whole of an inductor without learning complex inductors, and it's just overcomplicated fucking crap that's going to waste your time and get you nowhere. And that's why the square root of -1 is fucking bullshit. But there's always going to be 10 million people saying how useful it is, but they're just being losers, dribbling shit about things they don't even understand, and because they haven't done anything with their life, and I feel sorry for them.